Login failed on Banktivity Fix. You open Banktivity to check your accounts or investment reports, but you're met with the frustrating login failed message. Before you worry, here's the good news: this is usually a simple fix. Start by verifying your credentials. If you use Banktivity with an IGED, make sure your email and password are correct. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check for capital letters or spaces. If you've recently updated your login details, enter them manually rather than relying on autofill. If that fails, use the forgot password link to reset your access. Next, check your internet connection. Banktivity connects to financial institutions through secure servers, and if your network is weak or blocked by a VPN, the login process can fail. Turn off your VPN or proxy, switch Wi-Fi networks, or restart your router. If your internet is fine, make sure your app or desktop version of Banktivity is up to date. Outdated software can prevent logins due to compatibility issues with the server. Go to your device's app store or the Banktivity website, download the latest version, and try again. For users syncing accounts, a common issue is expired credentials from your connected bank. Open your account settings inside Banktivity, disconnect the bank, then reconnect it by logging in fresh. This resets the secure connection and often fixes recurring login problems. If everything still fails, it might be temporary maintenance on Banktivity's side. The servers occasionally go down for updates. In that case, wait 15 to 30 minutes before retrying. Here's the surprising truth: most Banktivity login failures aren't serious, are just caused by small things like outdated app versions, expired credentials, or network blocks. Once you refresh everything and reconnect, you'll be back in your dashboard managing your money smoothly.